DaVinci hand-split shake siding layout and staging. In any individual shingle shake cladding application, proper staging and layout is a key part of successful installation. DaVinci provides shake widths of 8 inches and 10 inches. Split 10-inch shakes incorporate the look of a 4-inch and a 6-inch shake. Additionally, split 10-inch shakes are included with the reverse spacing. This product mix aids the installer in selecting the proper width combinations for the given course. In addition to the 4 styles of shake available in each bundle, it is permissible to cut or split a split 10-inch shake, resulting in the installer having a 5 3/8 inch width piece and a 4 5/16 width piece. This option provides the installer with additional shake width options. As is common practice in an individual shingle installation, the installer must take time to lay out the courses as they proceed up the wall to avoid creating patterns in stacked keyways. DaVinci recommends the installer open multiple bundles to locate and note the size and quantity of shakes available and proceed accordingly. Space shakes no closer than 1/4 inch and no greater than 3/8 inch. The ability to adjust the keyway spacing by 1/8 inch can affect the width dimension of the course ending piece and offers the installer greater flexibility. Course-to-course keyways must be spaced a minimum of 1.5 inches apart. Visit our installation video library for product and condition-specific installation guidelines.